In this episode about the channel, you will cover the top 5 best CNC controller are available on the market for the top quality. Actually we try to make to the best on the popularity, quality, price, durability, your opinion and more. If you need more information about this product, please check the link in the description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's start the video. At number 5. STEPPERONLINE Digital Stepper Driver. If you are looking for a CNC controller with easier setup and easy to use, then STEPPERONLINE Digital Stepper Driver is the one for you. It is also a digital stepper driver in the list of other top 9 CNC controllers. This controller product is developed by the advanced Usongshine stepper control technology. The driver is capable of smoothly powering both 2-phase and 4-phase stepper motors within a favorable torque range, causing minimal motor noise and heating. The operating voltage lies within 20 to 50 VDC with an output current rating up to 5.6 A. All the output current and micro-step setups are managed via dual inline package switches. So, the 556 trillion German marks controller is an ideal pick for applications that require simple direction and step control of Nema 24 and 23 Nema stepper motors. At number 4. SONGHE TB66004A 9-42 volt stepper motor driver. TB6600 stepper CNC controller is another graded and high-quality driver. The electrical input signal is transistor logic supported. Stationary current is auto-reduced by 1/2. This product is applicable for small to medium-size automatic devices, including XYZ tables, laser cutters, labeling machines, pick-place devices, engraving machines, etc. High-speed bipolar constant current chopper. High-speed optocoupler signal isolation input. The metal voltage supply rated within District of Columbia 12 approximately 48 volts with an operating temperature ranging from -10 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. Plus, the storage temperature is rated from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius. The maximal driving current is 4A with a chopping frequency of 20 kHz. Note: the different displays and light shooting will perhaps affect the item color, which is black in color. The maximum range of error allowed after the measurement is plus or minus 1 to 3 cm. At number 3. STEPPERONLINE CNC stepper motor driver. STEPPERONLINE CNC driver is an industrial-grade product with an entirely digitized stepper drive. The controller is designed by an advanced control algorithm of digital signal processing, DSP, and based on the high-end motion control technology. The parameter auto configuration and auto identification features of the motor enables instant setup to optimal modes using different motors. In comparison to other TB6600 chips or analog drivers, it is capable of driving a stepper driver motor at quite lower noise and lower heat, facilitating much smoother movement. We don't know when or if this item will be back in stock. Industrial-grade stepper driver suit for Nema 17 and 23 stepper motor 1.0 to 4.2 A, 20 to 50 VDC, 1/128th microstep resolution pulse signal, 4 to 5 volts when PUL high, 0 to 0.5 volts when PUL low. The same as DIR and ENA signals. At number 2. Usongshine stepper motor driver TB6600. Usongshine TB6600 stepper motor driver requires a power voltage supply ranging from 9 volts to 42 VDC. Maximum current of 4.0 A of 8 types of output current. The widest 32 subdivision of the 6 models are discretionary. This controller product is compatible with 8-wire, 6-wire and 4-wire stepper motors. The product has a semi-automatic energy-saving current lock function with an inbuilt overcurrent and temperature protection feature. Under voltage protection and hindrance to reverse are the other added protective forms of the product. Can handle both the forward and reverse rotation of the 2-phase stepper motor with the following 2-phase excitation mode: W1 to 2, 2W1 to 2, and 4W1-2. This controller is fit for a vast collection of stepping motors of Nema 23, 17 and 24 can be utilized in varied machine types, like the XYZ tables, laser cutters, labeling machines, pick-place devices, engraving machines, pick-place devices and many others. At number 1. Cloudray 2-Phase Stepper Motor Driver. Cloudray Stepper Motor Driver DM542S is a digitized 2-phase drive. TIS 32-bit digital signal processing platform is the basis of this motor driver. Also, the system is embedded with micro-stepping technology along with auto-tune facility of power-up parameters. It ensures the generation of less noise and vibration with low heat and high-speed high-range torque output. These features of the motor driver make it fit for most stepper motors. The power voltage is rated from 24 to 50 VDC, where the supply voltage is recommended either 36 volts or 48 V. You can apply this product typically for marking machines, carving machines, plotters, auto assembly equipment, cutting machines, fileteer, die bonder, wire stripping, lasers, and the list goes on. We hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to the products, you can leave a comment down below.